Hello and welcome to this Mastering Excel Essentials in 60 minutes. Today we'll learn how to use the basic formulas like sum, average and count. Let's go to the Excel interface. So today we will learn how to use the sum function. So we have opened the Microsoft Excel workbook, and in one cell let's write some numbers. So let's write 100, and then in the second cell we write 200, and then we want to sum these two. So 100 plus 200 is equal to 300. So let's start with something very basic. So start with any formula, you have to press equal, and then you have to type the cell, and you have to write the corresponding cells, and you can just put a plus. So let's do something very basic. So we'll just write the number directly. So 100 plus 200, so it is showing 300. So in this case, even if you change these numbers, nothing will happen. So in this case you have to directly change the numbers from here, from the formula bar. So we'll do something like this. So we'll remove this number and we'll reference the cell. So we want to sum the two numbers, that is b2 and c2. So we write b2 plus c2. So in that case you can see that it is showing 300. So we can change the numbers, and as you can see it will automatically change the numbers. So this is very easy to use, and you can use this as long as you can. So but in this case, as you can see, we did not use any formula. So this is like basic plus of the two cells. So what we'll do now, we'll remove this and we'll write the introduce the sum function. So the sum function, as you can see, it is showing adds all the numbers in a range of cells. So we have to write equal to, and you have to type the sum and use the bracket, and you have to select the range of cells. So you can just drag and drop, or you can see that you have to write b2, that is b2 500 and colon c2. So it will take everything in between and it will sum up automatically. So you don't have to write the form cell in between cell altogether. So we have press enter, and as you can see that it is showing the sum of 500 plus 400. So let's change the number. So we'll do 600 and it will is showing 1000. So let's do something very different now. So let's say we have a range of numbers and we want to make the sum. So as you can see that you can have multiple numbers. So now what we'll do, we'll put an equal sign, we will put the sum function, and we'll select the range. So in that case we want to sum all the numbers, that is 100 till 60. So this 100 is reference to b4, and it has to span through f4, and then you have to close the bracket and press enter. As you can see that it is summing all the numbers that is we have referenced. So in this way you have learned how you can sum a range of cells. So now the second one is we want to average this um, the range of cells. So it's very easy now. So we'll just press equal, and the function name is average. And as you can see, what is average? Returns the average arithmetic mean of its arguments, which can be numbers of or names, arrays or reference that contain numbers. So we'll write average bracket, and now we have to select the range. So the range is 100 till 60, that is b4 till f4, and you have to close the bracket. So this is the sum, this is the average, and then we have to go to the next function, that is the count. So now since you have learned the basics, so you can just press equal, and you can write the function name, that is count. And as you can see, what is count? Counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. So you have to write the name of the function, the bracket, and then you have to select the range. So in this case we are using b4 till f4, and then we have to close the bracket, and as you can see, so it is showing 5 count. So this is the count of the number. So as you can see, it is very easy to use. So we know now how you can do the sum, average and count. And as you can see, you can verify this number. So 1 2 3 4 5. So count is 5. Thank you for watching this video, and do support us and go to the next video to see the next course. Thank you and have a great day.